Yes, I didn't realize ang bilis how time flies, no?
Okay, what has changed in 1 month?
Yung tirahan ko, iba na yung address ko. Siyempre, nag-move-in na kami together.
Aside from fulfilling her role as Mrs. Ko, mas naging purposeful at willful daw si Bea Alonzo. Busy man, iniingatan niya ang sarili para healthy sa pagpapalaki ng future kids.
When that day comes, of course, I'd love to be able to have the energy to run around with my kids, and to play with them and not just watch from the sidelines.
Bakas kay Bea, hindi lang ang saya, kundi pati na ang pagiging optimistic sa pagharap sa kinabukasan.
Kapuso actress na si Bea Alonzo, inulan ng biyaya matapos ikinasal sa negosyanteng si Vincent Ko. Welcome back to Philippine Celebrity Broadcast. Usap-usapan pa rin hanggang ngayon ang biglaang pagpakasal ni Bea Alonzo at Vincent Ko, na kung saan maraming netizens ang nag-aabang kung ano ang update ni Bea Alonzo. Nitong nakalipas nga na araw ay eksklusibo itong nakaharap ni Nelson Canlas, na kung saan si Bea Alonzo mismo ang nagkumpirma na lumipat na sila ng sariling tahanan ng kanyang asawang si Vincent Ko.
Hi, Mrs. Ko. Let me just get used to it. Okay. Mrs. Ko, how are you? Okay, happy Monday, first of all. 1 month into it.
Yes, I didn't realize ang bilis how time flies, no?
Okay, what has changed in 1 month?
Yung tirahan ko, iba na yung address ko. Siyempre, nag-move-in na kami together. Obviously. Ano ba nagbago? Right now, I'm on cloud 9. I'm very, very happy. Na-share ko yata, I'm at my happiest. And siguro yung ano, and syempre, we, wake up right next to each other every day, and it's special to me.
Wow. Parang hindi na ako makapagtanong ng mga
Kaya
susunod
nga,
pa
okay na rin.
Like, parang, of course, syempre, ang mga tanong niyan is, why the surprise? Lahat kami talaga, buong mundo na surprise.
Honestly, I didn't think that it's something I really need to share. So, parang, hindi naman sa pinagdadamot, but at that point, parang I felt like I just wanted it to be mine and his. I wanted it to be about us and no one else. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Hindi, it
totally...
wasn't supposed to be a surprise or wala namang kasal. It wasn't supposed to be like that. It was just, it felt like it was the right thing to do, and parang the moment was ours.
And we totally understand that. Siyempre, release na ako. Pupunta na ako doon sa Whisper from Heaven.
Yes, ayun na.
You're actually back shooting.
Yes, oo. I never really stopped shooting.
Nga pala, even before the day.
Yes, so midway na kami. Or more than halfway na kami. So, nag-enjoy akong katrabaho pa rin sa Dirigsig, Maricar, sa Tom. So, we tape 4 times a week. So,
What's next for you?
right now, siguro, syempre Whispers from Heaven. And I still have other opportunities that I'm really open to, doing. And meron kaming niluluto, sana matuloy. But right now, I'm really just happy to be where I am.
Kinikilig ako. May I see? Oh my God. Thank you. Congratulations. Thanks for being such a great sport.
Matapos nga ikinasal si Bea Alonzo kay Vincent Ko, ay tila sunod-sunod ang biyaya ngayon ni Bea Alonzo, na bukod sa negosyo ni Ann Curtis ay may bagong endorsement din si Bea Alonzo sa isang kilalang gatas, na isa nga sa kanyang sinabi ng makausap ito ng mga reporters ay pinaghanda na nito ang kanyang future children at handa na rin di umano ito magkaroon ng sariling anak. Para sa buong kwento, narito ating panoorin ang video. Narito ang video.
Aside from fulfilling her role as Mrs. Ko, mas naging purposeful at willful daw si Bea Alonzo. Busy man, iniingatan niya ang sarili para healthy sa pagpapalaki ng future kids. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Marami ang kinilig sa mga kwento ni Bea Alonzo sa 24 oras kagabi at marami pa siyang na-share sa kanyang paglabas sa publiko after ng secret wedding nila ni businessman Vincent Ko. Sa media conference hosted by Sparkle artist Janina Chan, naikwento ni Bea na marami ang nagbago sa sarili niya. Ngayong nagbago ang kanyang civil status, Mrs. Bea Alonzo Ko has become more purposeful at willful sa kanyang mga desisyon.
Right now, I have to say, I have become more intentional and more conscious about longevity.
Kung dati-rati raw,
So, kung before, I would resort to like the quick fixes or the latest beauty trend or fitness trend. Right now, I invest more in my future self.
pero syempre,
And that's not to say ayoko maging maganda. Dapat talaga maganda, maintain pa rin, di ba? Of course, I still wanna look good. But ultimately, my priority now is to, have the energy to enjoy every chapter of my life.
she also shared with us a possibility in the near future.
Because as you said, I just got married. And naturally, of course, we are planning, sana hindi ito yung mag-headline, but of course, we're going to have to try to have kids in the future and, build a family. And when that day comes, of course, I'd love to be able to have the energy to run around with my kids, and to play with them and not just watch from the sidelines.
Bakas kay Bea hindi lang ang saya kundi pati na ang pagiging optimistic sa pagharap sa kinabukasan.
My headline would be, just getting started. Ooh! No, kasi, diba, you've seen me in many different chapters of my life. I've lived many lives and you've seen it all. But somehow I feel like I'm only getting started. I'm so excited for what's to come, both personally and professionally. And I know that there is so much to life I still need to experience. So yeah, I'm just getting started.
It's safe to say, there's no stopping Bea lalo na sa kanyang mga plano para sa kanyang career.
Right now, siguro, syempre Whispers from Heaven. And I still have other opportunities that I'm really open to, doing. And meron kaming niluluto, sana matuloy. But right now, I'm really just happy to be where I am.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video at kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pindutin nyo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa ating susunod na video. Maraming salamat!